expression of electrostatic expression of electrostatic force in SI system and CGS system. Expression of electrostatic force acting between two point charges in SI system and in CGS system. According to Coulomb's law, the electrostatic force acting between two point charges Q1 and Q2 is given by Fe equal K Q1 Q2 by R square, where small k is the electrostatic force constant. So we have to write down the expression of electrostatic force in CGS system and in SI system In CGS system, the value of electrostatic force constant K equal 1. Small k is the electrostatic force constant, where small k is the electrostatic force constant. K is the electrostatic force constant, and the value of electrostatic force constant in CGS system is 1. Therefore, Fe equal Q1 Q2 divided by R square. This is the expression of electrostatic force which is given by Fe, which is equal to Q1 Q2 by R square in CGS system. In CGS system, the expression of electrostatic force is Fe equal Q1 Q2 by R square, where the value of electrostatic force constant K is 1. Again, there will be two types of expression of electrostatic force for SI system. If we consider vacuum, that means if 2 point charges are placed in vacuum, in that case the value of electrostatic force constant will be 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0. That is small k equal 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 and Fe equal 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon 0 Q1 Q2 divided by R square. This is the expression of electrostatic force acting between 2 point charges when they are placed in vacuum. That is Fe equal 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 Q1 Q2 by R square. Now if we consider a medium, this medium may be water or air or hydrogen gas or glass or mica. In that case, the value of electrostatic force constant K is 1 by 4 pi epsilon. K equal 1 by 4 pi epsilon and Fe equal 1 by 4 pi epsilon. Fe equal 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon Q1 Q2 by R square. Fe equal 1 by 4 pi epsilon Q1 Q2 divided by R square. This is the expression of electrostatic force of interaction acting between 2 point charges placed in a medium, where small k equal 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 for vacuum or free space, 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0, and it has the value 9 into 10 to the power 9. 9 into 10 to the power 9 Newton meter square Coulomb to the power minus 2. This is the value of electrostatic force constant for vacuum in SI system. Here epsilon 0 is the electric permittivity of free space or vacuum. Now the permittivity of free space is epsilon 0 or epsilon naught, which has a value 8.85 into 10 to the power minus 12 per Newton per meter square Coulomb to the power plus 2. That is the reverse unit of K, or reverse unit of 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0. Here epsilon naught or epsilon 0 is the electric permittivity, of vacuum or free space. Epsilon 0 is the electric permittivity of vacuum or free space, which has the value 8.85 into 10 to the power minus 12 per Newton per meter square Coulomb to the power plus 2, which is the reciprocal unit of 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0. And here epsilon is the permittivity, electric permittivity of a medium. Epsilon is the electric permittivity of a medium. Additional information, that is Fe proportional 1 by epsilon. That means electrostatic force acting between 2 point charges is inversely proportional to the permittivity of a medium. Fe proportional 1 by epsilon. Now the expression of electrostatic force in CGS system is Fe equal Q1 Q2 by R square. But in CGS system, in SI system, if we consider SI system, in that case for vacuum K is 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 and F equal 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 Q1 Q2 by R square. And if we consider the 2 point charges placed in a medium, then the expression of electrostatic force will be Fe equal 1 by 4 pi epsilon Q1 Q2 divided by R square. And the value of epsilon 0 is 8.85 into 10 to the power minus 12 per Newton per meter square Coulomb to the power plus 2. Now 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 is Fe R square divided by Q1 Q2. And if we consider the unit of 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0, then this is what? Newton meter square Coulomb into Coulomb. That means the unit of 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 is Newton meter square Coulomb to the power minus 2. Unit of electrostatic force constant, or 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0, is Newton meter square Coulomb to the power minus 2. Again, if we consider the unit of 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0, that is Newton meter square Coulomb to the power minus 2. So that's why the unit of epsilon 0, unit of permittivity of free space, will be per Newton per meter square Coulomb to the power plus 2. That is the reciprocal unit of 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0. Another additional information is what? We consider two charges which are separated by a distance r in a medium. R is the distance between two charges Q1 and Q2. In this case, we can denote the radius. We can denote the radius of the charges Q1 and Q2. Capital R1 is the radius of first charge Q1, and R2, capital R2, is the radius of the second charge Q2. We can assume that these two charges are spherical in shape. Q1 and Q2 are the two charges having a spherical shape, and R1, capital R1 and capital R2 are the radii of the two spherical charges, and R is the distance between the centers of these two charges. Under what condition two charges will be called? Under what condition two charges will be called point charges? If small r is much greater than R1 and small r is much greater than R2, in that case the charges, that two charges Q1 and Q2 will be, the two charges Q1 and Q2 will be point charges, or will be point charges.